Taking on your first employee can be one of the most important steps in the development of your business. It's a major responsibility and a significant activity for any business. Becoming an employer can often be the only way to ensure your business reaches its true potential. Small businesses can find the recruitment process a daunting prospect. Many lack experience in both recruitment and managing employees. They're often so busy that they don't have time to hire someone. They also worry that it's a complicated process, and whilst they know they need help, they're not certain of exactly what their personnel needs are. All of this means that they fail to get the best out of the people they take on, or that they hire the wrong person at the wrong time. But how do you know when the time is right to consider taking on your first employee? If you recruit too early, you may run into cash flow problems, but leave it too late, and you may be struggling to keep up with demand. Here are some situations that may suggest the time is right to start hiring. As the business owner, you're running around doing everything yourself, but you're not keeping up with customer demand. It may be that orders are coming in, but you can't get them processed quickly enough. Or maybe, because your focus is on producing product or delivering the service, the flow of business is drying up. These can be a clear indication that you need support. Another scenario is that you feel overwhelmed by some of the day-to-day practicalities of the business. Answering the telephone, keeping the paperwork up to date, ordering supplies, booking appointments, doing your accounts, and so on. All of these small yet important tasks are getting in the way of developing the business and getting new customers. This is another sure sign that an extra pair of hands could make a difference. Another often overlooked reason for recruiting is when you need specific expertise or skills. By its very nature, running a business means that you have to step outside your comfort zone and learn new skills. However, there is a point at which it is more appropriate to bring in someone with expert knowledge in a specific area. For example, maybe you're spending a lot of time putting presentations together, but using the internet for research and learning to use the various presentation packages is not your forte. Or maybe you're juggling several different projects, all at different stages of development and with multiple stakeholders. You may be great at delivering, but not so good at juggling. In this sort of situation, taking on a presentation specialist or a project manager makes a lot of sense. Look carefully at what is happening in your business. Weigh up the facts and make a conscious decision before rushing into the recruitment process. Attracting the right people with the right skills, at the right cost, and at the right time can make a huge difference to the success of your business.